Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Gakuna Trading here again. I hope you guys had a very awesome and exciting week because I had the most exciting week ever. We had setups everywhere from first red days to first green days to 3 days of breakout traders, 3 day setups, and a whole lot this month, which we obviously know that these setups repeat themselves over and over again. Now, great news, if you can look at my chart, we have the Gakuna setup indicator, we have the Gakuna levels indicator. Now, the features of the Gakuna levels indicator, we have the previous days high and low, we have the 20 and the 200 EMA in this indicator. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so we have the 200 EME. For those who use the 200 EME, we have the day session daily breaks in separator. This indicator separates the days by itself. You can also get that settings on the default with trading view. We have weekly separator, separates the weeks, shows you when a new week starts. When you go to higher time frames to look at the 4 hour, to look at weekly, it separates the weeks for you, so you know where you have week 1, week 2, week 3. We also have the Gakuna levels indicator. The Gakuna levels, yeah, these levels, okay, are weekly and daily levels where market often reverses from. So if you take a look at the daily levels, you can see they've appeared. So these are levels that we can get continuations or reversal trades from. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys further how to use these levels. Now we have the opening range high, opening range low, previous month's low, previous month's high. We have the previous week's high and low. We have the previous day's high and low. We have the closing price of every day, which is the green line you can see on the chart here. Now we also have the time zones. You can change the time zones now. You can extend, you can change the time. All of this, it's here for you. The major round numbers are here: double zeros, 25, 50s. You can set it exactly as mine is for a clean view, a clean display of the numbers. You have the background transparency, set it to 80. Now numbers above and below should be 100. Okay, so you can see the 200 EME and the 20 EME has appeared on the screen. Now this setup, this levels indicator would make it very easy for you guys. Now we use the 20 EMA for our universal entry criteria. What does Stacy say about the universal entry criteria? Okay, yeah, when the 5 minutes, we use that on the 5 minutes, we make sure that the levels, the universal entry criteria, the 20 EMA coils inside in the direction of the trend. So it says, for simplicity and ease of understanding, the entry on the 5 minute chart with the 20 EMA must close back inside in line with the direction of our trade. So when we, as you can see, we have a first green day here. The EMA closed inside, coils inside in the direction of our buy low setup. Okay, now you can see the indicator. If you zoom in, okay, make sure you watch this video with high resolution. Now you see we have Euro card first green day, Euro USD 3-day shorts, Euro AUD first red day and a 3-day setup. We have the NZD first red day. We have YM, this is Dow Jones futures 3-day setup. We have the USD card first green day. Okay, we have the Euro USD 3-day short. Sorry, you can edit this. We have the card CHF, we have the AUD USD, AUD JPY first green day, AUD card first green day, which activated 3-day setup. Remember that they build up in these levels to a 3-day setup. We have the NZD USD FGD2, JPY was FGD, GBP USD was FGD2, GP Swiss franc was FGD. Now let's take a look. A GP card was FGD and an inside day. Now you can see that the Euro card, when the market closed, the indicator indicated for us we have a first green day. We look for buying opportunities, okay, off of closing price. We have also the GBP card. You can see GBP card is a first green day too. You see it closed, put in a low of week and closed above the previous close. You can see our buy low setup in the London session. Okay, we have the Swiss franc, GBP Swiss franc was also a first green day. Okay, as you can see, the market exploded in London and has reversed off this rest of the sessions. Now this may be a pullback for a continuation, who knows, I have no idea, but then may the market go with you guys. Okay, we also have the AUD card. You can see the AUD card FGD. Okay, what they say about the AUD card, you can see there. AUD card FGD, you can see we have the low of week closed above. We had a buy setup. Okay, in Asia a buy setup, in London a buy setup. We also have the JPYs. Let's take a look at JPY. It showed a first green day. Okay, yes, the first green day. JPY also triggered a 3-day setup. So we have a low of week day 1. You can see it shows here 3-day setup. Let me show you guys why. We have day 1. Our 3-day setup starts from a low of week. This is the low of week. The broke out, we have a day 2. This has been updated in the ebook, day 2. Now we have our day 3, first green day, but triggered the previous day's high. Okay, day 3 reversal. So a 3-day setup is a low of week to high of week reversal or continuation opportunity. If it presents itself, the indicator has showed us here is a 3-day setup. Let us look at other markets that presented 3-day setups. AUD JPY indicates there is a 3-day setup. Let's see if it's very true. Yes, very true. A 3-day setup triggered day 1 low of week. Okay, day 1 low of week. Okay, day 2 FGD. Sorry, day 2 was triggered. Now we have our day 3. We had a buy low setup in London, but then they triggered a 3-day setup, a false break reversal trade back inside of the range. So we have a 3-day setup here also. Now you can see the market is giving us everything we need to know. We have on the YM, which is the Dow Jones futures. It's a 3-day setup too. Yes, a 3-day setup. Why is it a 3-day setup? You can see it there on the indicator. We have day 1 Wednesday. This is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In the description of the indicators, I've put down all the features that it gives. Day 1, day 2. When they trigger the high, this is a 3-day setup reversal. So YM has showed there it's a 3-day setup. Also, let's take a look at Euro USD. 3 days of shorts. Okay, we have 3 days of breakout traders in the market. They can either blow off in the direction of the trend, or they can continue. They can reverse. Okay, Euro USD 3 days of breakout traders reversed back inside. You can see Euro USD 3-day shorts. You can see that day 1 short, day 2 short, day 3 short that closed in breakout. They closed in breakout and they reversed on Friday. So now this market, if it closes, the indicator will show you. If it closes above the previous close, it will indicate in the screener as an inside the first green day. All right, you can see it's very clear, it's very obvious. Let's take a look at other markets that presented such opportunities. Which other market are we looking at again? The GBP Swiss franc. Okay, I think we already looked at that. What other market again? AUD USD. Do we look at that? Okay, I think we looked at that. AUD USD, GBP USD first green day. Okay, all of them presented themselves in a buy low setup. You can see the parabolic trend. Okay, off of closing price. Look at this parabolic trend right here. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, the market exploding to the upside in the London session. Now you need to also understand the various pairs and when they trade, when they move. CAD CHF showed a first ready. Did they trade as a first ready? Yes, they traded as a first ready. You can see that clearly. CAD CHF closed as a first ready. We have a high of week and a market that closed below the previous close. It's a first ready. It's a sell high of day, high of session setup. If it presents itself, You can see our sell high setup presented itself in the US session. Let me put on our session boxes from the indicator so you can see. This is very good for stacy traders. This will help you all advance your trading without stress. So you can see a sell high of day high of session. We had a 33 trade. We had 3 sessions for the sell high. Session 1 on day 3, session 2, okay, and session 3 takes out London. So 1, 2, 3, 3 session setup and collapses back inside. First red day card CHF. We've been working on this for a long time. Congratulations to us for achieving this great indicator that will help traders. I pray that as you purchase and use this indicator, may you see, may you have the confidence to execute the market. Also remember, 3 session setup, 3-day setups are different. 3 days of breakout traders are different. We need to be careful when we are looking at this market. So we need breakout. We need the market to trigger a high for us to start asking ourselves questions. What are the 3 things that markets do? They break out, they pull back, they reverse, they break out, they pull back, they trend. So like I said, if you purchase the lifetime access for this indicator, you get the ebook. Okay, the link is in description. You can purchase 3 months of access. You can purchase 1 month of access. Okay, you can purchase 6 months of access. You can purchase 1 year of access to the indicators. They are together. You'll be added to our Discord, so we show you how you can add this up. So now looking deep into the setup indicator. When you go to settings, you can from here, okay, if you want to remove any pair, okay, and put another pair, you can just come to this area. So you can just select, let me see which double pair, CHF JPY. You see CHF JPY, just click on it, it will show there. It will now be indicated here. The indicator will update it now. You see it has been updated. If you don't trade gold, you can come like this, remove gold. Okay, you can remove gold and put whichever market you like. You can put Bitcoin. Okay, you can put BTC USD. BTC, you can click on it and click OK. BTC USD will be added to, you can see BTC USD was an FGD and 3-day setup together. So this is a very wonderful invention. Hoping to see you guys on it. May the markets keep going with you, 1% better every single day. This is what we do for humanity. Share this update with your friends. See you guys soon. Thank you.